Jonathan, and today we're going to be learning about running code while ... Go use a loop to keep moving while not on an open switch. I'm going to skip the middle, only want to pause the video and go to 1, 2, and then we're going to go to the code. 1. Choose a Boolean condition for your while loop to determine when it will run. Add a command to the while block to toggle open all the switches. So first we're going to do the condition is exclamation mark, which is not. Then we're going to say an open switch. We're going to go with if, or we could do this. We could just do toggle switch move forward. And I'll run the code. And every single time this would how much times you will run, so it will change. And I'm gonna keep hopping on these. Please subscribe to my channel if you like this video, and also leave a like. Bye!